Arrange the following set of quantum numbers having highest energy of an electron. So we have four sets P, Q, R, and S, and we are given N and L. We have to find the highest energy of an electron. So we know that to find the highest energy of an electron, we have to add N and L. So we see that the highest here is 4 plus 2, that is 6. And the second one is P. 4 plus 1 is 5. And third is R, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So the question arises, if they both are similar, 5 and 5 are similar for R and P, then how come R has the less energy? Because when the total is same, we see which has the higher N. So P here has a higher N, so that's why P will have the higher energy, and the lowest energy we will have in the S set. That comes out to be 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the pattern is Q, P, R, and S. So matching the options, B is the correct one. In the solution, the solution is C, but that is wrong. The solution is B, but the logic here is correct. So please see that here the solution was incorrect. The correct solution is B, but the logic here is correct.